Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Spotify login details. So first of all, launch Spotify app or visit the website, log in with your account. Click on your profile icon at the top right or the top left corner depending on your language. Select account from the settings and privacy. Go ahead, select the account, and there here you can see account information including your email address, which is used for login. For security reasons, Spotify does not show passwords. If you need to reset or change password, go to the account settings and then select change password. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for